At-home underarm bleaching. Homemade recipes for at-home underarm bleaching will help boost your confidence when raising your arms. Check it out. There's nothing worse than having unsightly, dark-colored underarms, to the point I'd rather not wear sleeveless shirts. Underarms can darken for various reasons, but the good news is there are many homemade remedies for underarm bleaching to remedy the situation. Dark underarms, what to know? Underarms can darken for many different reasons, from inadequate hygiene to excessive sweating passing through dead cells, friction from clothing, tight clothes, waxing or depilatory creams, deodorants containing alcohol, or a dermal predisposition. It could also be caused by excessive sun exposure, hormones, or dehydration. One thing is certain, it is embarrassing to live with darkened underarms, especially at a party or social event. Here are some tips to avoid darkening of the underarms. Don't use a dull razor. We all have moments when we are in a hurry, and our only option is to use the dull razor in the shower. However, unlike other methods, this will darken your underarms more each time. Some women use wax, which produces a darkening effect as well, especially to those whose skin is very light. Avoid using high amounts of deodorant and antiperspirant. The way these products work is to stop up the pores, which doesn't allow them to breathe. This causes darkening. You may have noticed when you reapply deodorant it just covers up the smell, but it will keep coming back. Try to use as little deodorant as possible, opting instead to clean your underarms with unscented soap and water. Wash your underarms regularly, preferably every day, more than once a day if it's hot or you're exercising. Wear loose-fitting cotton clothing. During the summer when it's so hot, it's important to wear light cotton clothing to prevent excessive sweating. Avoid depilatory creams. Continued use encourages underarm darkening. Try to keep the area free of irritants. Underarms are prone to dead skin, rash, or more odor than is normal. All of these can cause a bacterial infection or allergic reaction when treating with over-the-counter products. Consult a dermatologist for proper treatment. Homemade remedies for underarm whitening. Yogurt. Yogurt is one of the best natural remedies to eliminate dark underarms. Apply 1 tablespoon before showering, leaving on for 20 minutes then rinsing with warm water. Repeat this treatment daily for at least 1 week. Pumice stone. While you're bathing, dedicate a few minutes to your underarms by gently scrubbing them with a pumice stone for 2 minutes, once a week. This will slough off the dead skin, leaving your underarms fresh. Lemon. It contains some of the same properties found in a pumice stone, and can also lighten the underarms. Rub 1/2 a lemon in circular motions on your underarms and let sit for 15 minutes before you shower every day. The citric acid will kill the bacteria and naturally whiten your underarms. Exfoliants. Any regular exfoliant that you use for your face could also be used on the underarms. This helps to eliminate dead skin cells, and as a result, leaves the skin much lighter. You can make a homemade scrub with sugar and honey, or with oil and coarse salt. There are many ingredients you may have on hand in your kitchen that could be used for this. Sandalwood. Seek out a powdered form of sandalwood and mix it with rose water. Apply it with a circular motion to the underarms for 2 minutes, then rinse well and dry. Cucumber. Extract the juice from a cucumber and mix it with turmeric powder, found in health food stores. You can also add in the juice from 1/2 a lemon to enhance its effects. Apply the mixture and leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash thoroughly with warm water. Orange. Use powder made from dried orange peels in a tablespoon of natural yogurt. Apply it to the underarms and let sit for about 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold or lukewarm water. Potato juice. Peel a potato and then juice it in a blender. This is an excellent whitening product. Apply with a cotton ball. Leave on for several minutes, then rinse. You could also cut 2 slices of a potato and rub it directly on the underarm once a week. Baking soda. In a container, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply nightly, and if possible, leave on overnight. In the morning, rinse it thoroughly. Oatmeal. This is an excellent exfoliant that can be used all over. Mix a small amount of oatmeal with a tablespoon of honey and juice of 1/2 a lemon. Apply it to the underarms and leave on for 1 hour. Repeat twice per week. Apple cider vinegar. There are many health benefits and remedies using apple cider vinegar to take care of your skin. Due to its acidic content, it prevents bacterial growth, and eliminates bad odors while bleaching. Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and wipe your underarms once a week.